Here are some key terms in Forex that you should know, that you need to, in fact, to know to even understand what they are, because they are very key in Forex. All right. Now, the first thing is take profit. Take profit means that when you enter a position, that is when you are either buying or selling, where price will get to before you take your profit, that is where you want the price to get to, or rather how much you have made from buying or selling. Basically what it means, like it says, take profit, take your money. Stop loss. Stop loss means if you enter a trade and then the trade is going against you, that simply means maybe you decide to sell and then the market is buying. Yeah, the market is buying. And then stop loss means that is where how much money you are willing to lose, how much you are going to lose before the market exits you, or rather before you stop trading, before you exit the market. Simply put, stop loss. Charts. When you hear the word charts, chart simply is a visual representation of the movement of price in a currency. That's basically the charts. When you hear the charts, that is it. The green, red candles, that is basically the charts. When you hear bearish or bullish, when you hear the market is bearish, it means that the market is trending downwards. That is, the market is trending downwards. That is, there are a lot of red candles forming. That's bearish. When you hear bullish, it means that the market is green. That is, market is going upwards. So the market is bullish. Market is going upwards. That basically is. When you hear the word short, I want to short the market, it means that I want to sell. When you hear the word I want to long the market, it means I want to buy. So I want to buy the market, meaning I want to long the market. Those are basic terms that you need to know as a Forex trader. Now let's go into the video.